Hello, friends! After a lot of hard work, the Rigify Animation library is finally ready for you. It includes 1,500 plus animations. This is the first video of this series, and if you're interested in buying this animation library, I highly recommend watching this video from start to finish without skipping. Otherwise, you may not fully understand how the library works and how to use it effectively. So now, let's talk about the installation process of this add-on. Go to Edit Preferences. When you download it, install it without unzip the folder. The Rigify Animation library is a slightly heavy add-on, so it may take some time to install. The installation time depends on your computer's performance. So please be patient and wait for the installation to finish. Our add-on has now been completely installed. To run it, simply press the N key on your keyboard. The add-on will be installed on your computer under the name Anim Library. When you open it, you'll find more than 1,500 animations organized into 18 categories, including run cycles, walk cycles, fighting, sports, work, jumping, talking, and many more. To import an animation into your Blender scene, simply click the Import button. Now, let's discuss how to retarget these animations. For this process, you need to have one of these two add-ons, Auto Rig Pro or the free Rococo Blender plugin. If you can't purchase Auto Rig Pro, you can use the free Rococo add-on instead. Download and install the Rococo plugin add-on for free from its GitHub page. Then log in using your Gmail account. Now, let's download some free characters and apply a few animations to them to see the results. Let's start with a walk cycle, because animations in Blender often come with foot sliding issues. By testing a walk cycle first, we can easily determine whether our animation has any foot slipping problems or not. After importing the animation, open the Rococo add-on. There are a few important settings here that you need to pay close attention to. After clicking Rebuild Bone List, the first and most important step is to switch from Rest to Current. Make sure to remember this. The second important step is to clear your character's pose and place it in the A pose position. This is also very important. Then, without any worries, simply click on the Retarget button. Done. Now let's delete the imported rig. After retargeting, you might notice some strange deformations in the hands. We will fix that later. First, let's focus on the character's feet and check if they are slipping or not. So far, everything is fine. Now let's slightly increase the animation intensity. For this, we will go into the graph editor. Yes, now you have a completely smooth animation in front of you. Now, let's fix the issue with the hands. To fix this, we will use a free add-on called Animation Auto Offset. This add-on is available for Blender 4 and above. To download it, click on Get Extensions, search for Animation Offset, and install it. Enable this add-on, then go to the graph editor and keep it turned on there. Now, go into pose mode and rotate the bones to fix the issue in the character's hands. Now, we also need to slightly fix the elbow bones. Now we have a neat and clean walk cycle ready. Let's try some more animation onto it. Let's apply some animations to a different character this time. Go to Anim Library, choose Category, and import animation. So now, let's retarget with Rococo add-on again. Now let's select Rest to Current. Now go to Pose Mode and select Clear Pose All. Once everything is set up, simply click the Retarget button. Done. Now let's delete the imported armature. Now let's use the Auto Animation Offset add-on to fix our character. If you move the hip bones upward on the Z-axis, it should still work fine, especially when Animation Auto Offset is turned on. However, sometimes you may need to switch the feet from IK to FK. In this character, we keep the legs in IK, and we switch the arms to FK. To switch from IK to FK mode, note that downloaded characters usually don't show the Rigify IK-FK controls. To make them appear, save your character file once, then import it again. After re-importing, the IK-FK controls should become available. Now you can see that the IK and FK controls are visible. Let's switch the arms from IK to FK and fix the stretched arm issue using this method. Alright, now let's fix the arm bending issue using the Animation Auto Offset add-on. When the Auto Animation Offset add-on is already enabled, let's rotate the arm to fix the bending. Very quickly, once again you can see the animation has been applied very easily on the Rigify rig. But our work is not finished yet. First, let's enjoy this animation for a moment. Alright, let's apply another animation to this character once again. This time, let's go with a dance animation. After using the Rococo add-on, we'll cover retargeting with Auto Rig Pro in the next video as well. This time, the retargeting is the same as before. You'll use the same process you followed earlier to retarget your character. After removing the imported rig, in the previous retarget we only changed the arms from IK to FK, but this time we'll convert both the arms and feet from IK to FK. If you have any questions about this animation library, feel free to ask us in the comments below. The link to this add-on is also given in the description. Go and check it out. There's also a great discount available. Our dance animation is now ready. Enjoy, and we'll be creating more videos on this add-on soon.